Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello everyone. Yep, my big box has arrived. Yes, another big box, and let me show you where it came from, but I'm gonna show you first this side. I'm sure you have an idea already. See that? And this box came from dun 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 dun. Ta-da! Yep, this is my husband's May gift for me. Month of May gift for me. Yes. And it came from Carmela Orchids again. But anyway, I am going to do a unwrapping video in here in our living room because it's still raining outside, so I don't want to get wet because it's gonna be so cold, plus it's so windy and lightning, thunder, oh no. So I'm going to unwrap all of these in here, and before I do that, let me just open the box and take all the orchids out in here. So BRB. So here we go. I have a very tall one. See this here? I don't know how tall this is, but it seems like it's almost 4 feet tall. See? I can't even. Yeah, this is almost 4 feet. So I have a feeling that this plant is a grammatophyllum, but I'm going to open this last one. So let's open first those a little bit smaller ones. Well, they're not small, but it's more, it gets small because of that big one. So anyway, let's start here. Let's start opening this one. I mean unwrapping it. Ooh, what's in here? Let's see. Ta-da! And this is zygonesia roquiberon sea foam. I've never owned one like this. Well, I got zygo petalum, but never owned one like this. But anyway, that's how it looks like, and I have 2 spike here, and these bloom already. Previously, that's where it bloomed, and there's this second soda bulb that has a 2 spike. So pretty one. Okay, let me put this down here because I don't want to drop this. So all right, next one. Oh no, but it's oh yes too, but still oh no for me, because this is the type of orchids that I'm having problem growing. But anyway, let me show it with y'all. Ta-da! And look, it has this, so it has a spike. See that spike? Yup. And it has 2 spikes, see? And it already has another growth here. See that? So pretty. Well, I hope I can grow this. And this is, oh, I got this from last box. I have double now. I'm happy for this, although I'm still kind of worried about growing them because, like I said, don't have a lot of growing them. So next the third box. Ooh, this is what I like the most. Well, one I like the most. Cattleya, and it has a bud. See that? So pretty one. I have 3 buds from this one. And look, they even put this little butterfly, which I like. And this is Patnara Love Avenue Serenade. Patnara Love Avenue Serenade. So that's her name. Wow, I'm so excited to see her bloom. Okay, next one. I'm getting excited. Uh-oh, another oncidium. Oh no. Maybe they did not receive my husband's email, because he did requested that if possible that they don't put bunch of oncidium in my order. But anyway, what can I do? They're all here now, and it seems like there's an insect again. It has white speckles all over it. I hope I don't get those again, because it's been raining so hard I can't spray them outside right now. But oh no, another marshfish. Howard dream. Oh, my second one. Oh, this is my double now. You remember I just posted the bloom of that one, and that one is more bigger than this one. This is more smaller. It's like yeah, the first one they sent me is more bigger than this. Yep, and it's blooming right now, but I hope this would grow more. See, yay, I have the second one. Well, this is my second oncidium. Okay, let's open this a little bigger one. I hope this is a dendrobium. I love dendrobiums. Cattleya and vanda, because that's the orchids that grow so vigorously here at my place. Oh, that's why. Maybe next time I'll ask my husband to, you know, message Carmela early. But anyway, he forgot to put a note on his order, and he just emailed them, but I think they did not read it, because you know they're so busy because of the Mother's Day special sale they did the first week of this month. So that's why maybe they did not read it. They did not have the time to read the email. But anyway, I'm still happy, although I have doubles now. And ooh, this is my favorite, and this is huge. Do you have an idea what is this? If you watch my YouTube channel, you're gonna know what's my favorite, my most favorite orchid. But there you go. There he is. Oops. Yep, this is my most favorite. And it has a spike. See? Yes, vanda. Yup. Ooh. I'm making messy in my living room. Anyway, yes, this is a vanda, and I love vanda so much. And look at the roots. I hope these roots would not. Oh, the roots are dropping. Oh no, they get damaged. It's all right. They're gonna grow back. There's a bunch of roots that get damaged. See, but that's normal. What's the name of this one? Okay, let's untangle first this one here. Oh, poor roots. I hope you don't feel bad later. It's all right. I'm gonna put you there outside right away so you can get those rain, and I hope that you grow faster. Anyway, let me see your name. You are Vanda, no porn. Ooh, let me take it off you. Gold. Okay, that's Vanda, no porn, gold. So I'm gonna have a yellow Vanda. Look how pretty that is. Look how big. Oh, I'm so tickled with this Vanda. It's a huge one and it has a spike. So this is gonna be outside later. Yep, you're gonna be outside later, but I'm going to hang you here so I don't bump you all the time, and put your name later too. And there we go. Next. Oops, let's see what's in here. Oh, I'm so happy with that Vanda. Oh, you know I love Vandas. I'm like a child. Receiving Vanda, I feel like child. You know, a child that gets a lollipop. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Okay. Ooh, Cattleya. And it's a huge one. Wow. And it has a spike. Ooh, looks like green. Let's see. Oh yes, this is what I like. Finally I got one. See the name? That's BLC Ports of Paradise Emerald Isle. And it's BLC Fortune crossed with I don't remember the B, but it's Digbiana. Yep. This is the one that I've been wanting to have. It is so expensive. Now I got one. Oh, thank you so much, Carmela. Finally I got one. Yep. A big Vanda, and I got this one. Oh yes. Now let's see what's in here, because look, they even give me the memo. Do not crush. Bloom. Oh, it's Cattleya. Oh, it's kind of big bloom maybe. That's why I have that notice there. See? Let's see how huge this one and how pretty at the bloom. Because it said it has a bloom. Ooh. Look at this. Oh no. Here they put that insulated. Wow, I got orange. Oh wow. Look how beautiful. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Look. This is so beautiful. Oh yes. Let's see what's her name. Oh no. The roots is holding it. Okay. I think I have the most beautiful Cattleyas. The name is Patnara Jessie Lee Hawaii. It's a cross of Patnara Hawaiian Thrill crossed with BLC Marlene Lundquist. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love it so much. I love it. And it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I know the smell, but I don't know the name of the smell. But it smells like a perfume again. I'm getting those perfumey orchids. Now there's another one. It's taller. Let's see what's in here. Ta-da! Yay! Ta-da! Yes, it's a ta-da! It's a cymbidium. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Oh no, I hope the bloom would not blast, because look, it's turning yellow already. Oh, it seems like it's gonna die because it's broken. Oh no, it got broken. Oh no. Anyway, she's gonna be all right, I guess. Let's see, what's your name? So you're gonna be yellow because you're golden vanguard emperor. That's his name. He's an emperor. See that? Golden vanguard emperor. So I got my cymbidium. Yes, CYM is cymbidium. Wow, I got cymbidium. Well, I bought cymbidium 3 years ago, but it tried to grow, but it did not survive the winter. So I hope this one would survive the winter. Anyway, there's the second to the last. Let's see what's in here. It seems like I don't have any dendrobium this time. I hope this one is dendrobium, but if it's cattleya, much better. Oh no, it's not cattleya or dendrobium or vanda. It's a, let's see, it's a Meltasia. Ta-ta! So, ooh. Oh, it done blooming. It done blooming already here. 2 spike is done blooming. But there's another one. And there's another one. It has 2 spike. Okay, let's do it, sweetie. Ooh, so beautiful. Wow, I got one beautiful one. What's this? It has a insect thing here, but I hope it's not there, because I'm gonna be so, ooh, there's another growth. See that? That's a new growth. I hope that's a new growth, not a spike, but let me see. Ooh, I think it's another spike. But that's all right. I'm not complaining with that, as long as I can grow it. But as I said, I don't have a luck of growing this type of orchids. But since I got this much, I need to grow it. Oh my, so beautiful bloom too. Can you see that bloom? Oh, let me see what's the name of it. Let's see. Meltasia Tom Yukuyama. So he is a Japanese. This is a Japanese orchid. See that? Yukuyama. Now, the final moment of the bigger one. Let's see what's in here. Let's go, let's go. Come on, honey. Let's show you. Dun 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 dun. This is the most taller one. Oh yes, I can see the leaves. That's grandma. Yep. This is grandma. There she is. Tall grandma with a tall spike. Ooh, let me see the spike. Oh wow, so huge. Oh, I love it so much. And look, this is no, this is the one that they even put a tie. They tied it in a box. See? So there we go. I am going to show you how this. Oh, let me show you first the bloom. That's how it look. See? That's how it look. Okay. It's like tiger. All right. Let's focus more. There you go. See that? And that's how beautiful this is. And this is exactly how it looked. My previous grammatophyllum. It's just something bad happened to it. I don't know what happened to it actually. And it died. Look how huge these pseudobulbs. See that? That's so huge. Can you see it? Let's put, okay. See? It's almost as big as my hand. And I have a new growth here. I don't know if it's another like this or a spike, another spike. But this is so huge. Can you see how huge this is? I could not even hold that. That is bigger than my palm. So anyway, let me put it down and show you how tall this is. It's still gonna grow because look, it's not fully grown yet. This side here. So it's gonna grow at least 6 inches more. Alright, so this is what I got from that big box. And let me see, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 callias, one of the zygo petalum, zygonesia, whatever. I have 3 oncidiums, and I have cymbidium, the grammatophyllum, and the vandas. So that's all my orchids, my new orchids. That's all my orchids. Yep, that's how tall that is. See that? That's the end of my green screen. Well, I did not pull it up so high, but that's all my orchids. So that's all for today's video, folks. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my video, and I'll see you on my next video, on my update video. Bye.